Tanner has discovered his hands. What are these things? And how do I get them back in my mouth? And no, we're not driving for all you commentators. I want to start drawing. It's the cutest thing in the world. Oh. Hi! Yeah, hi, I'm gonna smile. Hi, baby. Look how big he's getting. This is my mom. She doesn't want to be on camera. Look at the munchkin! My blue-eyed baby. Who's hungry? So we're just sitting here waiting for my brother to come. We're at the carnival, but you can't really see it. At the carnival. Lance's about to do the hammer.
Vlogging you.
There's enough space back here.
Vlogging.
On my watch.
Oh my god.
My shirt.
Mom, you're in the shadow. Watch out.
You don't do this, man. You're a wimp.
Oh!
You're a space. That's good, Bubba.
Years of chopping wood.
All those years of chopping wood. Oh, get a sword for Xander.
Did you see the gun?
Huh?
Did you see the gun?
No, for Xander? That's not as violent.
What would you guys pick? The sword? The sword? Or the gun? Sword.
Sword.
We got the sword.
Xander, I gotta talk, get this ready. Xander,
He's asleep. Xander's
with this weapon you will rule the world.
Beowulf!
Beowulf.
Beowulf!
When you're old enough, son,
Actually, this is the
you
sword.
will wield
isn't it?
this. Huh?
Here you go. I will rule the earth. I will rule the earth with
Look
my
at him smiling.
sword.
He's like, yes, it feels great. I might get ass.
That's funny. Does that have a hole in it? Is that why it was deflating?
Yeah, it was deflating.
This is Lance, by the way.
Because
You guys don't know. And Gabby. And my mom. Who still doesn't want to be on camera.
You got one. Let me see. What's your change look like?
you have a target in your hand right now.
and the dust settles from another poop raking at the horse farm. And who wanted attention? Well, this chubby's died monster. Woo! Hands are cool. Hands are so cool. Look at my baby. There's a little kitty there eating something dead. Playing around. That's called Oscar. Right there, that's an Oscar. And I got what I like to call my buns in the oven. Both buns. And then there's Felipe. He's just catting around. He's a cool cat. Cool cat McGee. Look at that. Just shoveling shiz. Shoveling shiz. Who can name that vlogger? Shoveling shiz. It's bath time. Not me. Not her. Baby Xander in the dark, bad lighting abyss that is...
Seriously, our light bulb just went out as we were trying to do this. It just sparked, it turned purple, and then the light went out.
No bueno. For those that speak a little bit of Spanglish. That's my alarm going off. A little bit of
wolf den.
a wolf howling there. My bandana, that's all dirty and sweaty now. And that's a little boy getting a little wishy-washy.
We went to the barn today, so there's lots of barn germs all over him.
That's an open diaper. That's the scale that I use to make myself not feel good about myself.
Are you showing our whole bathroom?
I got a haircut. Look at that goodness. Oh, maybe this will be easier. How about we just do this? Look at that. Oh, still getting used to this. Look at that. Yeah. That's the old David Beckham swooshback.
Don't show them our dirty bathroom.
They can't see our dirty bathroom. Nice, huh? Nice. Even shaved. Look at you. You just splish splashing, huh?
Under the armpits.
You have received the holy washing of washings. It is now Mother Teresa.
Right.
You have
Bye,
come back
guys.
to us.
We're gonna end the vlog. Good night.